Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So friends, in this video we are seeing the latest main gate design ideas for 2024. So friends, the first thing that anyone notice about your house entrance, the entrance set the tone of your entire property and the main gate plays important role to making last of impression. In 2024, main gate designs plays crucial role to enhance the aesthetic appeal of your house. However, apart from aesthetically study maintained gates and from sleek and modern designs to timeless classic with contemporary twist, there is wide ranges of option to select. Choosing the perfect main gate design offers security and all while enhancing the visual appeal of your house. And consider various factors such as property type, size, materials, and security and aspects of functionality. And my aim is through the in this video to help to save time money by providing with the latest MindGate design ideas for 2024 that combine elegance and security modernistic. Choosing the right material for your main gate and safety grills, the gate is crucial. It's not only effect of aesthetic but also determine durability and maintenance requirement and security levels. Wrought iron is a popular choice for both main gates and safety grille gates due to its durability and classic appearance. It's offered to the excellent security and can be crafted into the integrated designs to enhance aesthetic appeal of your property. However, wrought iron gates require regular maintenance to prevent rust. And when choosing the materials for your main gate and safety grille gates, consider factors such as durability, maintenance, and requirements and security and aesthetic preference to find perfect fit for your house. A geometric paneling iron main gate is featuring sleek and geometric panels for your contemporary touch and perfect for modern house abstract shapes of traditional Indian inspired patterns. And another one is steel. The steel is steel gates are known as in the era of smart homes, why not have smart gates that offer to both security and convenience? Integrate technology features such as remote control operation and biometric and motion to the sensors. It's not only enhance security but also make entering and exiting your property hassle-free. Additionally, consider of incorporating video. The system is CCTV cameras to edit server lines. The safety mesh grill gate designs offer to modern and contemporary alternative to a traditional wrought iron or steel gates. These gates features to combination of sturdy metal framing and mesh panels provide to security while allowing for airflow and visibility. Safety mesh grill gates designs are durable to low maintenance and available variety of styles finishes to suit different types of architecturistic and homeowner preferences. The first thing that anyone notice about your home is the first entrance. The entrance set the tone of the entire property, and the main gate plays important role in making lasting impression. In 2024, main gate designs plays crucial role in enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your house. However, apart from aesthetic and sturdy main gate rays, the safety is of your first design and protection of your barriers. From sleek and modern designs to timeless classic with contemporary twist, there is wide ranges of option to select from. Choosing the perfect main gate design ideas that offer to security all the while enhance this visual appeal and involves consider the various factors such as property type, size, material, security accept, and functionality. Choosing the right material for your main gate and safely grill gates and crucial has its not only effect of aesthetic and but also determines durability, maintenance and requirement and security levels. Wrought iron is popular choice for both main gates, safety grills and gate. Wrought iron is popular choice for both main gates and safety grill gates. Due to its durability and classic appearance, it offers excellent security and can be crafted into intricate designs to enhance aesthetic appeal of your property. However, wrought iron gates are regularly maintained to prevent rusting. Steel gates are known for their strength and resilience, making them ideal for security purpose. They comes in various designs can be customized to suit your preferences. Steel gates are relatively low maintenance, can be withstand harsh weather conditions, and aluminum gates are lightweight and used to the sturdy, making them practical choice for main gates and safety grill gates. They are resistant to rust and making them substantial for outdoor use. Aluminum gates are available in wide ranges of styles, can be used for powder coated to added protection. Wooden gates are touch of warmth and elegance of any property. They are versatile, can be added customization, the complete different architecture styles. While wooden gates are aesthetically pleasing, they require regular maintenance to protect against rot and wrapping and insect damages. PVC or vinyl gates are affordable and lightweight and low maintenance options for main gates and safety grill gates. They are resistant to rust and anything else, making them suitable for outdoor use. PVC gates that comes in various styles and colors to match exterior of your house. Glass gates refer to modern and stylish look of your property. They can be combined with other materials like aluminum or steel and added strength and security.